Right, so this is quiz 3 on blood and the heart. The blood cell at the pointer here is always so hard for me to do. Let's see, it's a platelet. Again, blood cell at the pointer. This should be a neutrophil, if I remember correctly. Yes, there we go, neutrophil. Number 3. Okay, this is a monocyte at the pointer. Now the questions were a little out of order, so 4 was on this side. Okay, 4 is a lymphocyte. See a nice amount of cytoplasm there. 5. Let's see. 5, I believe, red blood cell. Yep, red blood cell. Actually, this is a slide of sickle cell. So you can see some nice sickle red blood cells in here. If I could get it to focus. Again, this is so hard to do. Okay, so that was number 5. 6, the antigens in the blood sample. Okay, there's no agglutination in any wells, so there's no A, no B, and no RH. I was looking for no A, no B, and no RH, or if you told me none, I'll take that, even though it's not completely true because there's still antigens there, it's just not the ABOs. But I'll take none if you had none. 7, the blood type, since there's no antigens, it's O negative. So I was looking for O negative. Now let's see. Okay, go back to 8. Did I have 8? 8 was that. Thank you. Okay, 8 was another microscope slide. And then I told you here, orange red granules. Hopefully you took that as a clue because it should be an eosinophil at the pointer. Let's see if I can get it to focus. And if I make you dizzy during this, I apologize. There we go. Beautiful eosinophil. Okay, 9. Blood vessels, 9 and 10. 9 is the pulmonary trunk. Okay. Here's the pulmonary artery on both sides. So this is the pulmonary trunk. 10 is the aorta. 11, side of the heart, the superior vena cava empties into. Put a little heart here just in case you need it. Here's the superior vena cava. It's going to empty into the right side of the heart. I'll accept right or right atrium, either of those. 12, the pointed inferior region of the heart as the apex. 13, thick muscle layer is myocardium. Very thick on the left side, especially left ventricle wall. 14, the valve. We're also looking at the left side of the heart here. So I'll accept bicuspid valve or mitral valve. And the strings attached to it are chordae tendineae. Let's see, 16. 16 and 17 are both chambers. Again, left side of the heart. So left atrium for 16 and left ventricle for 17. 18 and 19 are both valves. 18 is the pulmonary semilunar valve. I'll also take pulmonary valve. And 19 is the tricuspid valve. 20 and 21 are vessels. 21 pulmonary veins. Oops, sorry. 20 is pulmonary vein, and 21 is the coronary sinus. 22, another vessel, inferior vena cava. 23, the finger-like piece of cardiac muscle. You'll notice it's attached to the chordee that we were looking at, attached to the valves, especially the AV valves. So 23 is the papillary muscle. 24 and 25, another blood typing question. Okay, it's getting a little bit dried up, but you can definitely see that there is agglutination in A and B. So we know the A antigen is present and the B antigen. And there is no agglutination in RH, so the blood type would be A, B negative. I hope everybody did well. Let me know if you have any questions.